So this week's interactive advanced concept is instant ice, freezing water instantly. This is actually my second attempt. The first time I tried it, I left the bottles in for 2 hours and 45 minutes, like the video said, and it didn't work. So I put the bottles back in and I'm going to try again now. So we'll see if this works. And I actually was reading online that this is pretty difficult to get down on the first try, because, depending on what setting your freezer is on, it's going to freeze differently. So let's give it a shot and see if this time it works. I did only open one bottle. I tried the flicking it test first last time, and then I opened one bottle to pour into the ice to see if that works. So I do still have a closed bottle, so I am going to try this again. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we're still not getting a freeze, but I'm going to go ahead and try the other two anyways and see if we get any kind of result. Okay, yay! This one's working. We are getting some slushy. Building a little ice sculpture. Okay, awesome. So we have that. And we'll try the last one. I don't know. Maybe I'll use a different bottle and try the first one again. Okay, so we have our water in the glass. We're going to drop some ice in and see what happens. We're getting a little freezing, but it's not completely. So, for whatever reason, those only one out of the three worked. I am going to try this again. I have one more unopened bottle. Maybe if we hit it. Yeah. We're not getting any freezing. But what's supposed to happen is with that shock, it's supposed to freeze the bottle. And these things all happen, the slushy and putting the ice cube into the water and freezing it instantly. This is all supposed to happen because the liquid gets super cooled and the temperature of the liquid is actually below freezing point, but the liquid hasn't turned into a solid yet because it kind of needs something to kickstart that freezing process. Basically, it encourages the liquid molecules to get together in an arrangement like they do in crystals instead of moving around like they would in a liquid. And according to a little research, this process is called nucleation because it encourages the molecules, like I said, in the liquid form to form into a crystal-like structure, which they can then, connect and latch on. So that's basically what's supposed to happen. Unfortunately, only one out of three worked. My water probably needs to be a little bit cooler, but I'm running out of bottles, unfortunately. So that is all I have this week.